Hello guys, in this tutorial I will show you guys how to solve your account is suspended on Twitter. So I'll show you guys how to unsuspend your account. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in into the suspended Twitter account. After which you click on the icon. Once you are there, you scroll down and click on Help Center. After that, you scroll down and click on About Suspended Account. Once you're there, you make sure you read this out. After that, you scroll down and you click on File and Appeal. After that, you simply need to give where you experience this issue. So I'm going to click on My phone browser. After that, you give the description. So I'm going to insert suspended account. After that, I scroll down and you put the name in which you used to create your Twitter. So that was the name. After that, you can simply insert your Twitter username and your email address and the telephone number in which you used to create the Twitter account, that is a suspended Twitter account. Once you're there, you simply click on Continue. After that, you click I am not a robot. Once you're there, you simply need to click on the fireframes, that is, but in this condition it will be different from your own. After that, you click on Verify. After that, you click on Submit. So guys, your account will be unsuspended in some few days time. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.